The short dives into why hiccups happen, those sudden bursts of air that interrupt conversations during tense moments. It explains that hiccups arise from a reflex loop between the diaphragm and nerves, often sparked by eating too quickly. The clip notes how a diaphragm spasm locks the vocal cords during a tiny, comic moment. It also shares easy tricks to calm them, like slow breathing or sipping ice water in a playful tone. Most hiccups fade on their own, leaving viewers with a curious, science-backed explanation for everyday life.